Hi, this is Chris with WTI, and I can't wait to tell you about these quality, well-loved SOREL Winter Carnival boots. The first reason I love these boots is they are just so warm. I have had these for 2 full winters. I'm going into my 3rd winter with them, and they stand up to cold, even wet weather. And honestly, because the material is nylon and rubber, which makes it so easy to clean, the cold and the wet doesn't get through. They have a cozy, comfy lining, so I feel so warm and comfortable every single time I wear them. And the laces are heavy duty also. I actually got an extra pair as a replacement, but I haven't needed to use them yet. They just hold up. The boots themselves are so cute. They actually look stylish on top of keeping me warm and comfortable. And because of the design and the laces, they actually allow room depending on a person's calf size. So I really liked that because I knew that when I got them, they would fit me and they fit beautifully. And that's my point of view.